Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Anika's Glow here. So today we're going to be creating this Cutcrease ombre look on my hooded eyes. If you'd like to see how I achieve this look, please keep watching. I'm going to be using our Plouise Base in shade 03. This is my go-to concealer. I'll be using this to clean up my eyebrows, and I'll be applying this all over my lid, making sure that it is evenly distributed. I just might make a move. Using my fluffy brush, I'm going to be blending this into my skin, making sure there are no patches or excess left on the lid. Really blending that out. So I'm going to be using the BeautyBay Matte Bright Eyeshadow Palette, and I'm going in with the shade Peppy Pecan and Illicit. I'm going to be stamping this slightly above my crease because, you know, we have hooded eyes here. Then I'm going to work in a circular motion to create a new crease shape. This will really help us outline where we're going to be cutting our half crease. Then I'm going in with the shade Poppin' Poppy, which is a really nice bright red shade, and we're going to be blending that into our crease, following the shape we've already created. We're going to really work that into the crease and also our outer corners to give us a seamless blend. Taking hip way, we're going to be using the 50-50 technique, which I learned from Plouise. Yeah, I'm going to just blend out the shade, leaving 50% of that on the red and 50% above the crease to give us that gradient effect. I'm going to take Hello Sunshine and apply the same technique and really blend that into my brow bone and my outer corner, and so we can have that really bright sunsetty look. Then we're going over all the colors again, really making sure that everything is popping and all our blends are seamless and very visible. Now for the juicy part, cutting our crease. This right here is the holy grail. I also learned this technique from Plouise. The Vaseline really helps give a clear, clean cut crease and removes the shadows from your crease. So taking the flat concealer brush, I'm going to just take a little bit of Vaseline on it, and I'm going to carve out my crease using our eyeshadow placement as a guide. Going in with a damp cotton pad to clean up the Vaseline, making sure that there's no Vaseline left on the lid, and we have like a clean surface to put our concealer on. Going in with another fave, we're going to be using the Plouise X Mmmmetchiel Acid Rain Blank Canvas paint, and I'm going to be using my Plouise flat brush. Make sure that you're using a super flat brush so you can have really good control over your brush strokes to really get into those corners. This is where the pressure is on, girl, because I take my time trying to follow the outline and making sure that my cut crease is as neat as I can possibly get it to be. So try not to rush during this process. Just take your time and really follow the outline you've created. Then I'm applying the concealer all over my lid and blending all that out with my concealer brush, making sure there are no patches and everything is seamless. Cause I like the way you do it, baby. I just might make a move. Ooh, cause I like the way you do me, baby. I just might make a move. So we're going back in with all our shades to create that ombre gradient effect. We're going to start with Peppy Pecan, which is that brown shade, and apply that on our lid, really stamping it into the crease. Apply the other shades using the exact same motion and really blend them all in together so we can have that sunsetty, sultry look. Oh, you're my diamond. Oh, you're my darling. Oh, you're my diamond. Oh, you're my darling. Oh, you're my diamond. Hey, baby. How you doing, boo? I'm just fine.
fine. I got something I really wanted to tell you. Just listen.
And we're done with our eyes. Look at that. It looks so good. The colors look so blended. Going in with my Morphe primer, I'm going to use this to prime and hydrate my skin.
Oh, we're my diamond. Oh, we're my darling. Oh, we're my diamond. Oh, we're my darling. Oh, we're my diamond. Oh, we're my darling. Oh, we're my diamond.
Using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte+Porless foundation in the shade Warm Coconut, I'm going to apply this with my flat foundation brush and blend it all out with my beauty blender.
I just might make a move. Ooh, 'cause I like the way you do me, baby. I just might make a move. I just say make you know. I just might make a move. I like you. You do you dig it? I just might make a move. I just say make you know. I just might make a move.
Using my Venture Cosmetics matte concealer, I'm applying that in my highlighted areas. That is under my eyes, my forehead, my chin, and my upper lip. I'll also be using this concealer to contour my face, my cheekbones, my forehead, and my nose. Then blend out my highlighted areas using my concealer brush. This foundation is super matte and it dries very fast, so we're going to work quickly.
Baby, I just might make a move. I just might make a move. I just might make a move. 'Cause I like the way you do me, baby. I just might make a move. I just say make you know. I just might make a move. I like you. You do you dig it? I just might make a move. I just say make you know. I just might make a move. 'Cause I like you and I really mean it. Mean it when I say, oh, you're my darling. Oh, you're my diamond. Oh, you're my darling. Oh, you're my diamond.
Going in with my Hegair&Esther Pressed powder to set my highlighted areas. And I'll be using the Avour Cosmetics pressed powder to set my contour. For my blush, I went in with the shade Poppin' Poppy from the BeautyBay palette we used earlier, and I'm going to apply that to my cheekbones. I'll also put a little bit on my nose. I love doing this because I feel it adds a little more color to my face. Then I'm going in my Hegair&Esther Flash Pan Highlighter palette, and I'm applying this on my cheeks, and my forehead, and my nose. And this is our final look, guys. I love the way this turned out. Thank you so much for watching. This is my first YouTube video, so please support me by giving this video a thumbs up and tell me what you think of this look in the comment section below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in my next video. 'Cause I like you and I